Nothing? Really? Alright. Keep moving then. Damn mosquitoes. Oh, swiped at it. Oh, swiped at it again. Oh, he's chasing it all the way in. Aggressive motherfucker. Okay. That's the way you want to be. That's the way we'll play, son. Come and get it. Oh. Oh, there we go. Soft little bite. Oh, and he's gone. Skinny though, boy. Off you go, son. There's so many damn browns. All right, let's see if we can get that other one that's in there. Come here, son. Come and get a piece. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, there we go. Just the same one. Sorry, bud. There we go. There's been nothing but browns. Oh, come here, son. Oh, so skinny. My guy. Oh, he's so skinny. Oh, come here. Poor guy. Good coloration, though. Oh, okay, okay, there you go. God, this is 24/7 browns. Damn. Ah. I see the trout. It's time to catch him. Oh yeah, that's plenty. Ah, mosquitoes. Oh, that's a bite. That's another bite. That's another bite. Oh, they're just tearing it apart. Look at them. So many of them. Bunch of little guys. These the rainbows? Finally? No. Of course not. It's a stalked brown. What the hell? Why are there stalking browns in here before rainbows? God, no wonder there's so many damn browns. Water's so clear. Basically sight fishing. God, fucking mosquitoes. All right, let's see, how many bites are we gonna get? 1, 2, 3. Don't even have to set the hook. Come here, buddy. What are you? Another brown. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yep, stalkers. Nothing but planters. There you go, buddy. Back you go. Come on, give me something bigger. Oh. Oh. Damn. Come on. Come on. There. Ah, Jesus Christ. I'm missing every bite. They are biting very soft, which is fairly normal. Although browns usually just smack it. There we go. That was more of a brown hit. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, baby. What have we got today? Another brown. I think it's just gonna be nothing but browns this trip. Hey, settle. Off you go. All right, give it one more cast. Oh, yes. And not fighting very much. Oh, and he's gone. Is he? Did he just give up? Yeah, he just gave up. I love you, Browns. Probably the least fighting fish for some reason. Maybe the big ones. Big ones definitely fight more, but these little guys are just fucking useless. Skinny little bitch. Let's see if we can find some other fish. Maybe something a little bigger. Little brownie, I bet. Acted like a brown. Yep, another brown. Come here. Come here. So many planters. Come here. God damn. Come here. There we go. Our skinny lad. Off you go. There's a fish right there. Come here, buddy. No escape. Backed yourself into a corner. You don't look so good, bud. Can you make it out? You okay? Okay, yeah, there he goes. Boy, I'm about to get stranded. Oh, there we go. This feels a little better, but it might just be another brown. Yep. Oh, got some nice spots on you, bud. All right, settle down. Come here. Hey, I'm gonna put you in the net if you won't calm down. Settle down. Oh, look. You freed yourself. Smart fish. There we go. That one, yeah, could be a stocked fish, but he's in good shape. Come on. Gotcha, son. Big mistake. Hey, this is a nicer one. Look at that. Yes, no. Come on. Trying to put you in the net. Now this is a better fish. This is what we like to see. There you go, bud. Well deserved. Go on. Nothing but browns. Oh well, still fun. Silence. You don't get enough of it. Come on, boys, who's hungry? Oh, there's one. Hello. Oh, come on. Yeah. Oh. Missed him. Oh, come on. Yeah. There we go. Oh. Is this a bow? This looks like a bow. Come here, son. Oh, there's a nicer one. Yes. Come on. Damn. Come on. Nice and easy. Don't want to lose it. First good fish of the trip. Yes! Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Now that is a rainbow. That's what we're looking for right there. Look at that boy. No. Okay. Put you on a stringer. Finally. Decent fish. Think fuck. That's another nice one. Oh, there we go. Oh, we found the bows. Yeah, I mean, they look good, but I think these are stocked fish as well. Even this guy. Got great coloration. Oh. Come here. Oh. Well, they could be holdovers, but. Oh, off he goes. Yeah, I don't know, Sonny. You're looking a little too beat. I think you might be a stalker too. We don't eat planters, even if they are kind of chunky. I know that meat's gonna be white and mushy. Yeah, those ripped up fins, man. Tells you a lot. Alright, bud. Whenever you're ready. The water's actually not that cold either. Alright, bud, you ready? Go on. Go on. Alright, you can sit there if you need to. Take a rest. Yeah, that's definitely a stockfish. But hey, these guys are better than the browns. Take these guys all day. Rainbows always fight harder. It's the best part. sure there's some on the other side of the bridge too. But for now, we'll see how many of these boys we can pick out. Obviously hanging out there behind the bush and the tree. Oh, it's just too easy. What's up, little man? Oh, this is a brownie. Kind of figured because he was smaller. Come here. Come here. Settle down. You're gonna get yourself hooked even more. Okay, no, stop. There you go. All right, number 3. See if we can make it 4. Come on, you guys can't be that dumb. Oh, he wants it. What's up, bud? All right, come on, boys. There we go, that's the money cast. Oh, yeah! Immediately smacked it. Come here, Sonny. Nice. Another brownie. There you go, bud. Sorry, hopefully it wasn't too much damage. Well, we found fish. Found their hidey hole. They're all right there. So, if we just give it a little cast and bring it through, I'm sure we'll get one. Oh yeah, look at them. Come on, boys. Come and get it. See if I can just... Oh, there's so many of them. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. They want it so bad. Oh. Yep, don't get hooked, buddy. Careful. They're in love with this thing. They love it. I don't know if you guys can see that underwater, but... Oh, there he goes. We got... He took it. Oh, there you go, bud. Back you go. This is too easy. All right, here we go. This is a little better. Yep, they're all down there. Yeah, you drop it down to their level. They're like, "Oh, what's that? Yeah, something to eat, huh?" Look at that. Oh, yeah. Hey, there's a pretty nice one in there. I mean, that big one. Oh! Well, it's not the big one, but... It's a little better. Oh! Yeah, no need to net. Not going to keep any of them anyways. Spooked them. Zoom, 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 zoom. Go get it. There you go. Roll, roll, roll. That's all they do. Oh. Come here. Come here, buddy. Back to the flock. Yeah. Yeah, he's a little better. Oh, come on, son.